Hi guys, welcome to the Airdrop Ninja YouTube channel. In last video, we did a quick review on FTX Exchange. For more information of FTX, do watch quick FTX review video. Today in this video we will give a short tutorial on FTX Pro withdrawal and deposit. Click on Wallet. Click on Deposit. Now select the coin or token you want to deposit. Now copy the deposit address. Open external wallet from which you will transfer fund. I am using Trust Wallet. Select the coin or token to deposit in FTX Pro wallet. Click on Send. Now enter your FTX Pro deposit address you copied and enter the amount you want to transfer. Click on Send. Click on Wallet. Done. The BNB we sent is deposited. Now let's do withdraw. Click on Withdraw. Select coin or token you want to withdraw. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Enter your wallet address to which you want to withdraw and select the withdrawal method. You can save wallet address for future transaction. Enter the 2FA code, that is OTP. You will receive it on your registered mobile number. Click on Withdraw. Great. Withdraw successful. Let's check our wallet. Great. We received our withdrawal amount.